Alright, so this was the original part, right? I took it out, basically. You know what I mean? So let's get back to this now. This is what we're gonna put in. This piece. This is what we're gonna put in. Alright, so because it's already formatted with the original one, it's pretty easy. Example. There's the hole. Obviously, when we buy it, we're not gonna have something that doesn't have the right fit. As I said, it's just like the original. So here we go, and that goes right there, and this part goes right into that pipe right there, and it's fully in. All right, so here we go. There we go. Yeah, I want to make sure I could see this. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you put it on and the bolt is on the other direction. Make sure the bolt head is right there at the front. Man, you look good up in there, baby. Alright. We're gonna blow off some mosquitoes. There we go, my bad. That's too much into, you know what I'm saying? There we go. I'm using one hand, so, but if you got it, you got it. That's it. Wow, not bad. Okay, here we go. And then obviously, it fits perfect right on top. But we're not gonna connect it yet because we got a little tightening up to do here and there. But it look good too. Yeah. Alright. Man, you ever slip with the damn screwdriver and that shit yank you in the finger, boy? That's part of the job, man. You slip with that mother... boy, I tell you, that shit hurt, man. I ain't gonna lie. Look. They say no pain, no gain, right? Alright, so... we at it. That's supposed to be pretty tight. And for the bottom, no, got this. Fits. Oh man, see that? Hard work. God damn, that shit yanked me, boy. Fuck. Make sure that thing locks on perfect. It's not in a bad direction. It's laying flat and ready to go. So we locking it in, man. We locking it right now. We locking it. Ready to go. Ready to go. And hear what this baby sound like. Alright, what's up? Got a lock problem here? You playing me right now, man. Alright, cool. Good work with that. Been a good boy. Alright, this right there, as I said, on top. There we go. Don't forget to connect back your connections. There we go. Alright, so there we go, people. As you can see, right in, perfect fit, no issues. You didn't have to break apart anything. Still factory. Right? So bless up. As I said, thumbs up. Or you know, just stay tuned for more videos, you know. Click the subscribe button and I'm gonna show you what it do though. Because if you see I don't mind getting the pain to get the job done, so I'm in this to win this, you understand me? So 400 horsepower, we on it.